launched Total Telecom Congress this year to create a new kind of event for the industry. The idea is to try and think how the telcos think about their industry and how they look at new products and solutions.
This type of an event brings together the whole industry, allows us to share best practices, allows us to express new ideas, and actually become one in collaborating on how we reinvent ourselves, on how we enter into the new digital age to be even more customer relevant, to work more collaboratively together and with other industries that we either see as our competitors that can become our friends and our collaborators. So I'm very excited to be part of this and look forward to other like events.
Total Telecom Congress covers a whole range of things, ranging from content to 5G to IoT, NFV, and everything in between. There's actually 15 themes that we picked out as being fundamental to the industry at the moment and how they interlink to create products and solutions.
I always like coming to Total Telecom events because they're always on the cutting edge. There's good innovation in evidence. The discussions around 5G and then the subtopics within that trend are always well worth taking part in. And as a Capita employee, there's a real need for innovation within the industries that we occupy as a systems integrator to go across not just the communication side, but also into the business cases around a whole range of industries, including health, automotive, agriculture, and extending out into wider IT.
The core people we've got here today at the Congress are people from telcos. They're here to try and meet with other people who are driving innovation in the industry. So they're here to meet with the analysts, the consultants, and the vendors who are very important to the new products and solutions that are coming out. All the people who are here to hear about great content and also to network with their peers.
So Accenture is here at the Total Telecom Conference really for two things. But first, we want to be extremely relevant to the telecommunications industry. The telecommunications industry is one of our biggest industries, and it's essential that we really understand, well, what is it that telco companies are doing and how can we help them perform in this in the current environment. So for us it's about connecting to them, understanding what is on their minds, understanding what is important to them, and also what are the trends and the hypes that they see themselves confronted with, and how could they potentially leverage them. So that is really one aspect. The second aspect is that Total Telecom Conference is a great way for us to also show what Accenture can do. We believe we're in a unique position these days where technology is becoming ever more pervasive. Or previously technology was maybe something for the IT departments and we work with them. Now it's relevant for the marketeers, for the customer operations lead, for the chief strategy officers. We think we're going to be extremely relevant for those people. We want to showcase that. We want to explain how we would actually work with each of them to create great companies.
Well, I really like coming to these kind of events because in the standards world, we spend a lot of time talking to technologists. Who we really need to talk to are more of the business decision makers. And that's the kind of people you find at events like this. So it's very interesting listening to the marketing guys, the product line guys, the strategists talking about what they need.
The Total Telecom Congress is the largest event that we've ever organised. We've had hundreds of people here today, and we're already starting to think about how we can grow it and develop it for next year. We're going to be back in London again at the end of October next year, and we'd love to talk to you about how you can get involved.